Hey everyone, welcome back to CarPedia. Today we're diving into the beastly new 2025 Kawasaki KX500, a bike that's got the motocross world buzzing. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just someone who loves dirt bikes, this one's going to get your heart racing. So let's break down everything you need to know about this high-powered machine. Let's start with the key features of the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. Kawasaki has really pushed the boundaries with this model. The biggest news is the updated engine. It's still a two-stroke powerhouse, now boasting a 499cc liquid-cooled engine that's been completely redesigned for more power, better torque, and improved fuel efficiency. This engine delivers a peak output of over 65 horsepower, giving you the kind of explosive acceleration that's perfect for tearing up the track or dominating off-road trails. Alright, let's talk performance. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the suspension on the KX500 with an advanced KYB A-Kit technology, providing fully adjustable front and rear shocks for a smoother and more controlled ride, even on the roughest terrains. The frame has also been updated with a lightweight aluminum construction, which not only improves handling and stability but also helps with overall agility. It's lighter, it's faster, and it feels incredibly responsive when you're pushing it to the limits. Moving on to design, Kawasaki has gone for a sleek, aggressive look with the 2025 KX500. The bodywork features new ergonomic designs with slimmer plastics, which make it easier for the rider to maneuver and shift their weight. Plus, the new seat design is not only more comfortable but also allows for better grip when you're really leaning into those turns. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 the right bike for you? If you're looking for a two-stroke machine with serious power, cutting-edge technology, and a design that turns heads, then absolutely yes. This bike is built for riders who crave adrenaline and want a machine that can keep up with their skills. As for pricing, the 2025 KX500 starts at around $12,000, which is competitive for a bike in this category, especially when you consider all the high-end components and features that come standard. That's our review of the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beast. Are you ready to take it to the track? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the CarPedia, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things motocross. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.